Suppose that you want to authenticate users, you would create a login page. So let's create a login page, Ionic, and then generate, G for generate, and then page, and then the name of the page, let's name it login. And then we have a login page created in our project. And first of all, in the home page, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a button that will take us to the login page. So here I'm going to create a button, and I'm going to add also a click event that will take the user to the login page. Go to login, and here go to login. And also here, ion button full or block. And in the home.ts, I'm going to create this function which is called here. Go and then to login, and it's going to take the user to the login page here. This nav, this here, and then nav controller dot push or set. We can say set root, and then here login page, Of course, we need to import the login page in the home page here. So at the top of this class, I'm going to use the import and then login page, and we import the login page, login. And then in the login page, let's open the login page, which is inside the login folder, login.html. Let's now create the login form. Here in the Ion content, I'm going to create first Ion list, and inside it we need two items, Ion item, and then another one for the username and one for the password. So we have here, let's add also Ion label for the username, and another Ion input for the input that the user is going to type, Ion input, and the type will be text, and a value as well. A value could be empty. And then let's create another one. I'm going to just copy this and paste it down below for the password. So this one, password, and the type here, password. A button, let's create also a button, Ion button block, and also here login, and also a click event, click login, which is the login function that is going to be executed once the user clicks on the login. If I go to the login.ts, we can create this function which is login, and I can list test with the console.log and say login button was clicked. Now if I use the Ionic serve to test, so now I have the login button. As you can see, go to the login or go to login in the home page. If I click on it, it's going to take me to the login page, and we have this form. And of course, this form is not yet activated, meaning that if the user types anything and clicks on the login, it's of course not going to log him or her in. So if we just click on the login and open the console, we should see a message here. Let me just maximize this, and let's click on the login, and as you can see, we got this message, login button was clicked, which means that the login button is now working correctly.